Are you a raven? Because he's making some funny noises. He was making funny raven noises. No. Probably eats lots of seafood.
Well,
Look at him, look at him, look at him.
Oh yeah. Ravens have a beard
Hello.
and they have their beaks are like.
Hello.
It's got quite a big
Hello.
beak.
Hello, raven. Smart birds, eh? I'd love to have another one for a pet. See him? He's making his look at him. Hello. Hi. Raven making strange noises.
I have any food in my pocket.
Oh, yeah, that's what he wants, food. Very cool.
I do. I have caramel.
You want a caramel? Let's see. Come here. Come up over here.
Not very good.
Let's choke him to death on a caramel. He's not going to choke to death on it. If you want to give him a caramel. Piece of bread or something. Come here, buddy. It's waiting for food. Here. Throw it down there.
Oh well.
What?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What, a whale?
No, right out there. Big seal.
Oh, it's probably a seal, a sea lion.
There. That was a big seal. Yeah. That came up.
He's going to get it. Look at it. He's going to come up to it.
Oh yeah. What you got?
There he goes. Bye-bye.